If your energy feels unpredictable, like you wake up tired, crash around 2 p.m., and somehow feel wired at night, like you just binge-watched 3 episodes of something you didn't even like, this is for you. Not the drink this and suddenly feel like you could run a startup and a marathon kind of energy. The kind where you feel steady, clear, and like a functional human again. The kind where you don't need a 4th coffee just to reply to emails. Today we're talking about juicer recipes for energy. Not caffeine replacements, not detoxes, not green juice that tastes like punishment for something you did in a past life. Real, supportive energy that works with your body instead of yelling at it like a bad personal trainer. Here's the real problem most people are dealing with. Low energy usually isn't because you're lazy or unmotivated. It's because your body is overwhelmed. Blood sugar doing parkour. Dehydration pretending it doesn't exist. Low iron or poor absorption. Stress hormones acting like they're running the group chat. Digestion working overtime like it's understaffed and underpaid. So instead of forcing more stimulants into the system and hoping for the best, we're going to support the systems that actually create energy. Let's keep this simple. First up, if your energy feels flat, heavy, or like you're moving through invisible molasses while everyone else seems suspiciously fine, this is your steady energy juice. Spinach for iron. Orange for vitamin C so your body actually absorbs that iron instead of ignoring it. Beetroot for circulation and oxygen delivery. Apple for taste because joy matters. Cucumber for hydration, and a small piece of ginger to get things moving. That juice looks like this. 2 cups spinach, 1 orange peeled, 1 small beetroot, 1 apple, half a cucumber, 1 inch ginger. This doesn't hit like coffee. It fills the tank instead of flooring the gas pedal. Next, if your energy crashes midday and you feel shaky, foggy, or weirdly irritable for no clear reason, like you're fine 1 minute and deeply offended by fonts the next, that's usually blood sugar and hydration. This is your grounding energy juice. Carrot for slow, steady fuel. Celery for minerals and hydration. Green apple for balance. Lemon to support digestion. And ginger to keep everything flowing. That juice looks like this. 3 carrots. 3 celery stalks. 1 green apple. Half a lemon peeled. 1 inch ginger. This one is perfect mid-morning or early afternoon, especially if you forget to eat and then wonder why you feel feral. Now for the days where you technically slept, but your body clearly did not receive the memo. This is your gentle reset juice. Cucumber and celery for deep hydration. Pineapple for digestive enzymes and a little emotional brightness. Spinach for minerals. Lemon to wake digestion up kindly. And ginger. That juice looks like this. 1 cucumber. 3 celery stalks. 1 cup pineapple. 1 cup spinach. Half a lemon peeled. 1 inch ginger. This one feels like someone opened a window inside your body and let fresh air back in. Quick reality check before this turns into a whole thing. These juices are not meant to replace meals. They are not a personality trait. They are not going to fix your life overnight. 4 to 6 ounces is plenty. Once a day or a few times a week is enough. If you try to live on juice alone, your energy will not magically improve. You'll just be tired, hungry, and mad about it. Most people notice better energy gradually. Fewer crashes, clearer mornings, less reliance on caffeine just to feel normal. Not because juice is magic, but because your body finally got hydration, minerals, and nutrients instead of just vibes and coffee. Think of it like this. If your phone battery is glitchy at 20%, you don't keep force closing apps and hoping for the best. You plug it in. Same concept. If you want to make this easier, I've linked juicers and simple tools in the description that make juicing doable without turning your kitchen into a full-time project. This isn't about perfection, it's about support. And sometimes, feeling energized again starts with doing less, not more. Now go make a juice. Start with one of these. See how you feel after a week. And yes, you should still drink water.